What if I told you that the reason you're broke isn't because you don't work hard enough, but because no one ever showed you how to make money work for you? We're in 2025, and investing is no longer just for Wall Street suits or tech bros in hoodies. It's for you, the 18 to 30-year-old grinding, dreaming, scrolling, and searching for more. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to invest in 2025. The smart way, not the TikTok guru way, not the lottery ticket way, but the fin-built way, steady, intentional, wealth-driven. Because here's the truth, every dollar you save is a soldier, but if you're not deploying them, they're just sitting on the couch, like your lazy cousin. Let's build your future, one investment at a time. Act 1, awareness. Here's a harsh truth. If you're in your 20s and not investing, you're already falling behind. Inflation in 2025 is quietly eating your savings. Bank interest rates, still losing to inflation. And the cost of living? Don't get me started. You don't need to be rich to invest. You need to invest to get rich. Let me ask you this. What's scarier, losing $100 in the market or working until you're 75 because you didn't? Think about that. Now here's the exciting part. You don't need a finance degree. All you need is a plan, some patience, and the ability to ignore that hot stock group chat. Act 2, Step 1, build a foundation. Before you invest a dime, you need a financial safety net. That means pay off high-interest debt, build a 3 to 6 month emergency fund. Understand your risk tolerance. Pattern interrupt. If your bank account looks like a horror movie, maybe don't start with crypto. This is the part most beginners skip and later regret. Your foundation is your freedom. Now that you're grounded, let's grow. Step 2, start with index funds. Forget stock picking for now. In 2025, index funds are still undefeated for beginners. Low cost, broad exposure. Historically solid returns. Consider ETFs like VTI or VOO, the S&P 500 workhorses, and platforms like Fidelity, Vanguard, or even Robinhood make this easy. Why? Because betting on the entire market beats betting on your friend's next big pick. Step 3, diversify with purpose. In 2025, you've got more tools than ever. Real estate through REITs, fractional shares of companies, crypto, carefully, and no, not Dogecoin. Diversification isn't about being fancy. It's about surviving when the market dips. Imagine your money spread across sectors, countries, and asset types. One dips, others rise. That's how the smart stay rich. Pattern interrupt. Putting all your money into one stock is like marrying someone after one Tinder swipe. Might work, probably won't. Step 4, automate and stay consistent. Want to win at investing? Automate it, forget it. Let time do its thing. Set up automatic monthly contributions to your portfolio. Even $100 a month consistently can turn into 6 figures over time. Cliffhanger setup. But wait, what if I told you that $100 could turn into $500,000 without lifting a finger? Stick with me. I'll show you exactly how in just a second. Act 3, the payoff, your future wealth. Right now, most people your age are spending their money trying to look rich. But you're learning how to actually get rich, quietly, powerfully, on your terms. By investing in 2025, you're planting seeds that your future self will thank you for. Daily. You don't need luck. You need leverage. And time is your greatest leverage right now. I'll break down how time and consistency turn small investments into massive wealth. Let's keep building. You're not just watching FinBuilt, you're becoming it.